Turn the knob to adjust the fan speed. Click the button to adjust the air conditioning temperature. Turn the button to the right to increase the temperature. The light will turn red. Turn the button to the left to decrease the temperature. The light will turn blue. Click the button again to adjust the light color. Press the brake pedal and push up the first button to engage R gear. Press the brake pedal and push down the first button to engage D gear. Push up the second button to turn on the hazard lights. Push down the second button to engage P gear. Push up the third button, turn on the right turn signal. Push down the third button, turn on the left turn signal. Push up the fourth button to open the glove box. Push down the fourth button to open the left rear door. Push up the fifth button to open the right rear door. Push down the fifth button to open the right front door. Push up the first button to open the frunk. Push down the first button to open the trunk. Push up the fifth button to turn on the interior light. Push up the fifth button to lock the door and window. You can pause the video and take a screenshot to familiarize yourself with all the button functions.